आज ओशन मैम जा रही है ट्रैक पे, हाइक पे, एंड जा रहे हैं जॉय सर और तन्मय सर के साथ.
Yes.
आपका पहला हाइक है ना?
Yes.
मेरा भी होता अगर मैं आती, बट मेरे को पढ़ना है. चैलेंज ये है कि जब तक बाय द टाइम दे कम बैक फ्रॉम द हाइक आई एम सपोज टू फिनिश reading 30 pages of my Prezi, and I also supposed to finish one lecture, which is the 2 hours ka recorded session that I missed. And if I don't, by the time they come back, I have to eat veg food. The dining area, I like how they are having the Naruto clouds on the roof. And they have a really nice sitting. आप हाइक के लिए एक्साइटेड हो?
बहुत है. वहाँ जाना है वहाँ.
When we say वहाँ, that's what we mean. क्या वहाँ पे स्नो गिरी होगी? गिरेगी. So you're expecting snowfall? हाँ?
Yeah, I'm expecting snowfall.
ओशन मैम परेशान है क्योंकि उनके शूज में ग्रिप कम है, घिस गई हैं उनकी शूज. Time right now is 10:45 and I have just completed 2 pages of my study material. I have 28 more pages to go and 1.5 hour 1.5 class recorded sessions. And oh my god, let me just say that I'm nervous. I don't want to be vegetarian today. But I'm gonna persevere through this. I've just ordered breakfast and here it is. This is poha. I asked them to put the onion and give me the lemon. And that's my black coffee because I need all the energy. Oh, 46 now. So I have gotten ready and I have stepped out finally. And I just want to quickly show you the view that I'm seeing as I'm walking. So this is the path I'm walking down to a nearest cafe. My camera is not doing justice, but look at that. My roommates were really loud people, so I couldn't really, study there peacefully. So I decided to leave and go to a cafe nearby. It's really hot to review, but the Kashmiri coffee tastes nice. It's a type of tea from Kashmir, to say in the least. Returned from their trek, expert and
In 7 hours. No, in 6.5 hours.
in 6.5 hours.
Yeah.
And
approximately 18 kilometers.
you can look at their faces to understand how they're feeling.
And the wife is also calling.
Yeah, wife has called.
तुम हॉगवर्ट्स करके कहाँ जा रही हो?
We have carrot cake with cream cheese frosting and blueberry cheesecake, I suppose. Rest of the order is yet to come.
Yeah, I know.
And वहाँ ओशन मैम भी है. She's just picking her order. आपने हेलो नहीं बोला वापस आके. प्रॉपर बताओ कैसा रहा आपका ट्रैक?
It was very nice. Fulfilling.
And
वापस आते टाइम I met a group of 14 nuns. I was with them for 3 hours.
है.
And it was very fulfilling.
That's nice. कुछ पसंद आया?
पसंद आया लेकिन एक बार आगे भी चॉइस देखो.
Okay.
I am on video.
कितने हैं ये? 3 सुबह
So we went
तीन लोग स्पा करा के आए हैं.
So we all three went to क्या Savannah?
Spavana.
And it was amazing, really.
The foot massage.
The foot massage along with back massage and the
I
lady had-
got back massage and they got foot
Oh
massage.
my god.
पैर उठा के दिखाए.
I don't want to insert the picture because I promised I will not insert the picture, but both of them dozed off really nicely during the massage. It could really easily explain how tired they were and also how good the massage was.
Is it a coffee?
ये क्या था? One X.
1x with boiled egg.
Boiled eggs. And this is
2x.
the time right now is 9:42 and we have come to the same cafe that I was at yesterday. And this is day 3 at Dharamshala. Day 2 only, Kaide se, because we came on Friday evening only. Let me show you. They have like a lot of things for sale over here. And there are a lot of wind chimes everywhere. And they also have a lot of books that you can sit and read here. You know, comfort for the solo travelers who are also big on reading. And this is where I was seated yesterday. Isn't this place beautiful? This is where I'm seated today. And this is my view. Opens up only by 10:30 in the morning. But we are here. Joy sir and I are here. Tanmay sir has gone on a nature walk. And Ocean ma'am has gone to the monastery. And sir is busy on call with his wife. And I'm going to sit and study. अभी हम कार की तरफ आए. So we found that my back tires are flat. So now Joy sir and Tanmay sir are doing their magic. And I'm just recording this for memory.
मैं देखा अब आया.
We are happy that this does not happen when we were on the way back. So we are at Jimmy's Asian Kitchen and we have ordered a lot of Oriental food. And we hope we like it. I ordered sushi yesterday in the evening and now I ordered sushi again for lunch.
That won't be counted for the second month.
Yeah, and it will not be counted for the next month. It's
This
here.
month's only, the other one.
Ha. And we also picked blueberry soju. So our hot chocolate is here. You can say hi. So dead. सुबह का एटीट्यूड पूरा निकला. We are at Bougainvillea Cafe. Bougainvillea. This is Joyland Gelato. See? Twinning. I completely forgot to show this. We found this place en route Ludhiana. Ocean mom. She's lost.
My jacket is looking. And we.
अरे Jimmy's. Oh, मेरा कैमरा कितना blurred है.
Back it up now.